This video is describing the different kinds of related to chords. I have another video that describes exactly what a related to chord is, but this video is to help you differentiate between diatonic related twos, dual function related twos, and non-diatonic related twos. Okay, a diatonic related two is a chord which is diatonic in the key, and it's also a related two to the dominant chord which follows it, which means it's a minor chord which is located a perfect fifth above the dominant chord which follows it. And in that case, it gets a Roman numeral, and as well as the various analysis symbols that go along with it. So this is a 2 minor 7 chord. This is the 5 chord, so we would give it 5/7. And then it's also a related to, so it gets this related to bracket that is sort of helping us understand that these two chords are not just separate chords, they're kind of working together in a related to dominant relationship. That's what that symbol helps us. Then of course there's the dominant arrow, which we use after a dominant chord. All right, then down here we have a situation where we also have a diatonic chord that's also in a related to relationship with a dominant chord. Again, that is defined as a minor chord, which is a perfect fifth above the dominant chord which follows it. E is in fact a perfect fifth above EA. So it's got the related to relationship, but it's also diatonic, so it gets its Roman numeral as well. That is an example of a dual function related to chord. Okay, now we get this chord. This is a secondary dominant 5/7/4. And in order to create a related two to that, we have to go up a perfect fifth, which is G. But of course, the related two has to be a minor chord. The diatonic chord that's up a fifth from C is a major chord or a dominant chord, G7. But we don't want a dominant chord here. We want a minor chord that will create this 2-5 relationship. So we create a minor 7 chord, which is non-diatonic. It contains non-diatonic elements like the note B flat in the key of C. You need a B flat to spell that G minor 7. So this is a non-diatonic related to. Non-diatonic related twos do not get a Roman numeral. There's no Roman numeral required. The only thing that's required to analyze a non-diatonic related two is to place this bracket between the related to and the dominant chord which follows it.